Hello people, hello family, hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So the second simple earring is ready and I'm here for you, so please stay tuned. The materials on the list are as follows. They are very simple to pen down as well. So we have the fabric fringe here, okay, with a silver cap, and the color of the fringes itself is also silver. Very lovely. This time I'll need only one gemstone, my spacers. So this spacer is oval in shape and the small ones here, I'll need only one spacer from this, and then my earring stud, of course, and my pins, my pliers. Now this time I've added a cutter because I'll be cutting the excess pin. All right, so please sit with me, okay, and let's continue. If you want to know how this is used, these pliers are used. So this is the cutter, this is the long nose plier, and this is the round nose plier. They all have their various functions. If in case you want to know how this is done, please let's finish with this video because this is a very short one. And then of course my beading mat. So let's continue with the tutorial. To begin with, I'll have to start with the pin, so I'll open this up with my long nose plier. You can also do that with your, sorry for the sounds background guys, you can also do that with your long nose plier. Okay, so this is the round nose plier. If I said long nose plier, it's wrong. This is a round nose plier. Okay, and then I would add my fabric fringe and I close it up like that. Okay, so the next to do is I would have to push down my oval spacer, and then I'll add my gemstone. Finally, this is not final in any case. I mean on the pin. So I'll add my small spacer here, and then finally my stud. So there's something I have to do. The stud comes in this shape. I mean the round part here that you have to attach comes in this form. So what I do is I try to turn it this way because this is the ideal way of attaching your earring. I do this all the time, right? And this is okay for it. If you have to turn this way, the earring is not going to be stable on your ears, okay? Then I have to add. The next thing to do is that I just have to bend it with my finger like that. Whilst you do that, you try to hold it, okay? And okay, for now let me just put this on the side, but then I would cut a little bit, and I didn't measure. This is something really bad to do, okay? I didn't measure. You don't have to do what I'm doing. I'm just doing this with my eye. So we will need the same loop like the very first one here, okay? It should be tiny and not too big, not too small. All right, so I'm going to cut from this end here, and when you do this, just be careful because sometimes it flies. Okay, so this is the work of the cutter, and then finally I'll just add my stud. I think I have to just make the loop before adding my because it's in the way a lot. So this is the time I'll just add it like that, then I close it. Feel it's quite long, but we'll see. Oopsies. Okay, finally We have done it, guys. Please, I am not a pro, okay, but since I know the functions of this, we would work this way, okay. Yeah, so this is it. I mean, I love how these earrings finalize, and it's gorgeous. It's gorgeous. If you're in a hurry to go somewhere, you can quickly add these things together. If you have the materials, and you're good to go. Look at that. Splendid, isn't it? Finally, we done. This is gorgeous. Even though I was struggling with adding the, I don't know why it happened this time, but hey, anything can happen in this life, and of course we have solutions to every single thing. You can try your hands on. Okay, I got these materials about 3 years ago from Amazon, and they still look stunning. I've been keeping them ever since, and I know one day I was going to teach my fellow people about how this is done. Okay, so if you want to start something new, okay, you want to add something to your hobby, this could be one of them. All right, and let me know if you want to add anything to it. Let me know in the comment section. Okay, so I'm going to see you on the next tutorial. Have a nice time. God bless you.